Hello students, I am Sindhu, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE, MITM. So in today's class, we discuss about the integer division. So in the integer division, we have two types. One is restoring division and another one is a non-restoring division. Okay, here the division is more complex than the multiplication. So this is the hardware implementation of the integer division. So in that we have four important registers. Okay, here that is A, B, Q and N. So yes, in that we have shift and subtract control logic. So this is used to shift the value in the register and it is used to set the quotient value. Okay, now let's see the flow chart of the integer division restoring algorithm. So this is the flow chart for that. So in that we have four important registers. Okay, so first one is A, B, Q and count. So A will contain the A will be initialized to 0. So B will contain the divisor value, Q will contain the dividend value and count will contain the N value. So here A, it depends on the B value. So if the divisor value contain 4 bits, in that case A it is initialized to 5 zeros, that means plus 1 extra. Okay. So here A, it will depend on the B value. If the divisor value contain 4 bit, in that case A will be initialized to 5 zeros. Okay. So the next is Q, it is a dividend value. Here B, it will depend on the Q value. So if the Q contain 4 bits, then B should contain 4 bits. Okay. So then count value, it depends on the dividend or divisor value. If both the value contain 4 bits, then count is equal to 4. Or else if the divisor and dividend contain 5 bits, in that case the count N value will contain the value 5. Okay. So the next step, this is very important step. So here you need to take the shift left operation. So in the multiplication we are using right operation. So in the Booth's algorithm, first we use shift right and in the second method we use arithmetic shift right. Okay. So but here we are using shift left operation. So shift left A and Q value, then here A is equal to A minus B. So here we cannot subtract the A with B. Instead of that, so we are going to the easy method. You need to take the 2's complement of B, then add that B value to A and store the result in A. Okay. So the next is you need to check the sign bit of A. Okay. So that means the most significant bit of A. So if it is 0, the most significant of bit A is 0. In that case, set Q0 to 1, then decrement the count value. Otherwise if the sign bit of A is equal to 1, in that case set Q0 value to 0, then you need to restore the value of A. How to restore the value of A? So we use this formula, A is equal to A plus B. Here you need to add the B value to A and store the result in A. Okay. So then decrement the count value. So if the count value reaches 0, then stop the process. Otherwise, go back to the third step and repeat the same procedure till the count value reaches 0. Okay. Now let's see the problem of this. Okay. So here perform the operation dividend is equal to 1010. So here the dividend is equal to 1010. Then divisor is equal to, so the divisor is equal to 0011. Okay. Now here this is the B value and this is the Q value. Okay. So, this is B and this is Q value. Okay. So, now, okay. So, here we have A and Q and count value, right. So, A, it will depend on the divisor value. Here the divisor, it contains 4 bits, that's why I will initialize A with the 5 zeros. A, it will contain 5 zeros. Okay. So, the next is Q. Q is nothing but dividend. Okay. So, 1 0 1 0 and count, here both divisor and dividend contain 4 bits. So, count is equal to 4. Okay. So, before going to the next step, you need to take the 2's complement of B. Okay. So, 0 0 1 1. This is B value, right. So, first you need to take the 1's complement of it, 1 1 0 0 and add 1. Okay, you will get 1 1 0 1. So, this is minus B. Okay, this is minus B and this is B plus B. Okay, now, so what is the next step? Shift left A and Q value. So, shift left A and Q value. So, here, so in the shift left operation, this last, the most significant bit will be last, right. So, yes, next this will shifted here 0 0 0 0 and this will shifted to this position 1. Okay, next is 0 1 0. We do not know the least significant bit of Q, that means Q0. Okay. So, it is blank now. So, what is the next step? A is equal to A minus B, right. So, minus B is nothing but takes the 2's complement of B and add this with the A value. So, here this B value, again it depends on the A value, right. So, A will contain 5 bits. So, in that case you need to make this into 5 bits. How? So, here you need to extend the sign bit. Here the sign bit of this B is minus B is 1. So, for that reason I will extend, I will make this B into 5 bits. How? So, extend the sign bit. This is the sign bit. Okay. So, now add A plus B. A minus B is nothing but takes the 2's complement of B. This is the 2's complement of B and add this with A value. Now, it is 1 1 1 0 1. So, what is the answer? So, 1 plus 1, it is 0 and carry 1. Now, 1 0 0, that is 1 1 1 1. So, 0 1 0 and blank. Okay. Now, the next step is check the sign bit of A. So, that means most significant bit of A. Here this is the most significant bit of A, right. That means here it contains 1. So, in that case, so if A, it will contain 1, A of n, that is most significant bit of A, it will contain 1. In that case, set Q0 value to 0, then A is equal to, here you are restoring the A value, right. So, set Q0 to 0. How to restore it? So, A is equal to A plus B. So, here it will contain only 4 bits. So, make this into 5 bits. How? You need to extend the sign bit, right. So, 0 0 0 1 1. Okay. 0 0 0 0 1 1. Okay, here 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, it is 0, carry 1, again 1 1 0 0, 1 1 0 0, 1 1 0 0 and neglect the carry here. Okay. So, 0 1 0 and blank, sorry, it is 0. Then decrement the count value. So, count it, now it is 3. Okay. So next is, so this completes the cycle 1. Okay. Please check these two number. It is same, right? That's why it is called as restoring algorithm, restoring method. Okay. So what is the next step? Check count value. 3 is not equal to 0. Again go back to the step 3. So again step 3 is a shift left. So neglect the last bit. Now 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. This is also 0 and blank. What is the next step? A is equal to A minus B. So minus B is nothing but 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, and add these things 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. We will get 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 0 and blank. Okay. So next check the sign bit of A. So sign bit of A is again 1. So that means you need to set Q0 to 0 and restore the A value. How to restore the A value? So for that you need to add A is equal to A plus B. Plus B is nothing but 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Right? So 1, 1 it is 0, triple 1. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Then decrement the count value. Now count is equal to 2. Okay. So here, yes, you can see the restoring of A here. Check the value here, it is same. Okay. So next, in the next step, yes, after this, yes, count is not equal to 0, then go back to the step 3. Okay. It is shift left. So in that case, so here it is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay. This will shift it to the next position 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and blank. Okay. So after that A is equal to A minus B. So minus B is nothing but 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Here 1, 1, 0. Carry 1, 1, 0, 0. It is 1, 1, 1, 0. Again here carry 1, 1, 1. Again 0. Carry 1, 1, 1, 0 and carry and neglect the carry here. Okay. So this is 0, 0, 0 and blank. Now check the sign bit of A. So in that case here the sign bit of A is equal to 0. In that case go to this step, set Q0 value to 1. So here no need to worry about the restoring of A, just decrement the count value. So previously we have 2, right? So after decrementing it will be 1. Okay. So again, yes, 1 is not equal to 0, then go back to the step 3. So in the step 3, shift left. So neglect this 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 1 and blank. Okay. Next A is equal to A minus B. So minus B is nothing but 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So here 0, 1 is 1, 0, again 1, 1 is 0, 0, 0. Okay. This is 0, 0, 1, blank. Okay. Now check the sign bit of A. Here sign bit of A is 0, that means set Q0 to 1 and decrement the count value. Now count value, it will reach as 0. In that case stop the process and here this is the answer. Here 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 is the remainder and 0, 0, 1, 1 is the quotient. So this is the answer. Here the A value is the remainder and Q value is the quotient value. Okay, now yes, here first is initialization part, second one is shift left operation, then A is equal to A minus B, then check the sign bit of A. If it is 0, then no worries, set Q0 to 1 and decrement the count value. Otherwise, you need to set the Q0 to 1 and you need to restore the A value. How? For that we have A is equal to A plus B, then decrement the count value. Once the count it will reach a 0, then stop the process, otherwise go to the third step and repeat the same procedure. Okay. So this is the first problem. Okay, let's take the second example. Okay, let's take the second example, that is 1100 divided by 11. So this is the problem. Perform 1100 divided by 11. So here, dividend contain 4 bits, but divisor it will contain only 2 bit. In that case, the divisor bit it will depend on the dividend value. So you need to make this into 4 bits. Okay. So what is the Q value here? Q is equal to 1100. Okay. So what is the B value? B value it will contain 0011. Okay. So here we are not extending the sign bit. Okay. We are adding 0 at the left side. So B is equal to 0011. Okay. So the next is N value or count value. Count is equal to 4 bit. Okay. So the next is you need to find out the minus B value. So how? You need to take the 2's complement of B. So 0011. So 2's complement of it is 1100 and add 1011. So here the dividend or divisor value contain 4 bits, but A value contain 5 bits. So you need to make this into 5 bits. So for that you need to extend the sign bit. This is the minus B value. Okay. So plus B it is 0011. This is plus B. Okay. Now this is A and this is Q and count. So A it will contain 4 or 5 bits. Yes, it has 5 bits. So Q is nothing but 1100. Then count is nothing but it is 4. Okay. So what is the first step? Initialization part. Yes, it is over. So in the next step, shift left. Okay. In the shift left, 0 0 0 0 and this will be shifted here. So 1 1 0 0 and this is blank. Okay. So the next is A is equal to A minus B. So here this is the minus B, right? 1 1 1 0 1. So 1 1 is 0 and carry 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 and blank. Okay. Now in the next step you need to check the sign bit of A. Here the sign bit of A is 1. So in that case you need to set Q0 value to 0. Then you need to restore the A value. So plus B is 0 0 0 1 1. Okay. So the answer is 1 0 0 0 0. So 1 0 0 0 is the answer. Next you need to decrement the count value, then count is equal to 3. Okay. So the next is again count is not equal to 0, then go back to the step 3. So in the step 3 shift left. Okay. So 0 0 0 1 and 1 0 0, this is also 0 and blank. Okay. So in the next step, check the sign bit of A. If the sign bit of A is equal to 0, in that case set Q0 value to 1 and decrement the count value. Now count value is 2. Okay, this completes the next cycle. So again next, count is not equal to 0, then go back to the step 3. So in the step 3, shift left, that is 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 and blank. Okay, now A is equal to A minus B, so that is nothing but 1 1 1 0 1. So answer is 1 1 0 0 0 and 0 0 1 and blank. Okay, now again Q0 is equal to 0, in that case set Q0 value to 1 and decrement the count value. Okay, again here count is not equal to 0. So go back to the step 3, shift left. Now it is 0 0 1 1 0. So this is 0, this is 1 and this is also 1 and blank. Okay. So next is A is equal to A minus B. So here minus B is nothing but 1 1 1 0 1. So what is the answer here? So 0 1, it is 1. Next is 1 0, again it is 1. Okay. So 1 1, it is 0. So here we have carry 1. So 1 0 1, again it is 0. Again, yes, it is 0. Okay. So here Q will contain 0, 1, 1 and blank, right? So again here you need to check the A of n value. So it is 0, then you need to set this Q0 value to 1 and decrement the count value. Now count value it will reach a 0, then so once the count value it will reach a 0, then stop the process. So 0 0 0 1 1 is the remainder and 0 1 1 1 is the quotient. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, now take the next example. It is 1 0 1 0 1 divided by 0 0 1 0 0. Okay, here both the dividend and divisor it will contain the 5 bits. Okay, that means A it will be initialized to 6 zeros. Okay, so before that you need to take the B value. It is 0 0 1 0 0. Make this into 6 bit. So this is plus B, right? So it is minus B value. It is 1 1 1 0 1 1 and add 1. So 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 1. So this is minus B value. Okay. So now it is A value, it is Q value, it is count value here. So A it will contain how many zeros? Yes, exactly it is 6 zeros. Okay. Okay. Okay, now Q is the dividend. So that is nothing but 1 0 1 0 1. So it is a count value, it is 5. Okay. Now what is the next step? Yes, initialization part is over. So shift left. Okay. So shift left is 0 0 0 0 0 and this will shifted here 1 0 1 0 1 and blank. Okay. So it is the next step. A is equal to A minus B. So minus B is nothing but 1 1 1 0 0. right? Okay, sorry, 1 1 1 1 and 0 0. So what is the answer? 1 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, 4 ones. Okay, now check the a of n value, most significant bit of a. Now it is 0. Sorry, it is 1. So in that case, set the q0 value to. So set q0 value to 0. Then a is equal to a plus b. Plus b is nothing but 0 0 0 1 0 0. Okay. Now, so the answer is 1 0 0 0 0 0. So 0 1 0 1 and 0. Okay. Now decrement the count value. Now count, it will become 4. Yes. So what is the next step? 4 is not equal to 0. Go back to the third step. Shift left. Now it is 0 0 0 0 1. So this will shifted here 0 1 0 1 0 and blank. Okay. Now a is equal to a minus b. So minus b is nothing but it is 1 1 1 1 0 0. Okay. So the answer is 1 1 1 1 1 0. Okay. Now it is 1 0 1 0 and blank. Now check the sign bit of a. Here the sign bit of a is 1. Then set q0 value to 0 and restore the a value. How? So for that we have plus b. So plus b is nothing but 0 0 0 1 0 0. So what is the answer? 0 1 0 0 0. Yes, right? No. 0 1 0 0 0 0. Okay. Now it is 0 0 0 0. Then decrement the count value. Now count will become 3. Okay. So again 3 is not equal to 0. So go back to the step 3. In step 3, shift left 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 and blank. Now a is equal to a minus b. Minus b is nothing but 1 1 1 1 0 0. So in that case, so 1 0 is 1, 0 0 is 0, 1 1 is 0, 0 0 and 0. So this is 0 1 0 0 and blank. Now here check the sign bit of a. Here the sign bit of a is 0. In that case set q0 to 1. Then decrement the count value. Now count, it will become 2. Okay. So the next is, okay, next again go back to the step 3, shift left, right? Okay, shift left. So after that a is equal to a minus b. So minus b is nothing but it is 1 1 1 1 0 0. The answer is 1 1 1 1 1 0. So this is 0 0 1 and blank. Now again check the sign bit of a. So here the sign bit of a is 1. That means you need to set q0 to 0, then restore the a value. So it is plus b 0 0 0 1 0 0. So that is nothing but 0 1 0 0 0 0. So 1 0 0 1 and 0 and count value. So count, it is here it is 2, right? So the count value is equal to 1. Count value is equal to 1. So after that, as 1 is not equal to 0, so go back to the step 3. So in the step 3, again shift left, so 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, yes it is 0, 0, 1, 0 and blank. Okay. So A is equal to A minus B, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 is nothing but 1, 0 is 1, 0, 0 is 0, again 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is also 0, 0, 1, 0 and blank. Okay. Now we check the A of n value. So the most significant bit of A is 0. In that case, you need to set the Q0 value to 1 and decrement the count value. Now count value it is 0. So once the count value reaches 0, then stop the process, and this is the remainder and this is the quotient. This is remainder and this is the quotient value. So this completes the restoring algorithm. Okay, restoring division. So in that, so first is initialization part. So in the initialization part, we have A, B, Q and N. So A is nothing but the assumption. Here it depends on the divisor value. If the divisor bit contain 4 bits, so if the divisor value contain 4 bits, in that case A will contain 5 bits. Okay. So next is Q is the dividend, B is the divisor and count is the number of bits in the divisor. Okay. So the next step is shift left. So in the shift left operation, the most significant bit will be lost. Okay. Shift left A and Q value, then A is equal to A minus B. Here minus B is nothing but takes the 2's complement of B and add the result with the A value and store the result in A. So the next is check the sign bit of A. If the sign bit of A is equal to 1, in that case set the Q0 value to 1, then set the Q0 value to 0, then you need to restore the A value. So the next is if the sign bit of A is 1, so if the sign bit of A is 0, in that case set the Q0 value to 1 and decrement the count value. Once the count value reaches 0, then stop the process. Otherwise, go back to the step 3 and repeat the same procedure till the count value reaches 0. Thank you.